So you've had a crown pop off. Here's your crown. If you look at that, there's only so many ways that will go on the tooth. So this is representative of the tooth we're trying to get onto, right? So if we start in there, just try it on before, just to see how does that fit the best. That doesn't quite go down. There's a gap there. It won't seat all the way. It's obviously not going to go like this. As you come around, you're going to find one spot where it actually falls into place. It's in the right spot, and it'll snap all the way down. Whenever you do close your teeth together, it should feel like your teeth come all the way together when you place that in there. If it doesn't, don't try to replace it. It's going to do more harm than good. So now we're going to take that off. We're using just a regular Fix-A-Dent. The brand is not important. The point is that it's a denture adhesive that you can pick up at any store. You want just enough that you can barely see the color. Do not overfill this. If you put too much in there, it's not going to go on. Tiny amount. Even that is pushing it. That's all that you need. That's a very small amount. Now when you go to place this on, you want to get it in the right spot. You want to push it all the way down to where it feels like it's coming together, and then bite your teeth together again. Make sure that whenever your teeth come together, you're hitting completely. Everything looks like you're coming back together naturally. And if you're there, you're done. Make sure that there's not any excess. You can get a Q-tip, clean up any excess around the edges, just to make sure there's none of that denture adhesive left in there. The beauty of this is that this is reversible and removable. If you use some of the others that you can get, for instance, there's this. This is made for temporary fillings and for loose caps. This is too strong. If you replace it with this, there's a good chance it will not come back off, and you might be replacing that crown. Hope this helps.